Welcome to our exploration of the biomechanics of human skeletal articulations. In this video, we'll break down how joints are categorized based on their structure and movement capabilities. Understanding joint architecture is crucial for anyone studying human movement, anatomy, or biomechanics. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp of the different joint types, their unique features, and how they contribute to the body's remarkable range of motion. Let's begin our journey by looking at the broad classification of joints and why these distinctions matter in both health and movement. Joint architecture refers to the structural design of the connections between bones. These connections, or articulations, are essential for both stability and mobility. The way joints are built determines how much movement they allow and how they handle forces. Some joints are designed for strength and shock absorption, while others prioritize flexibility and range of motion. This architectural diversity is what enables humans to perform everything from delicate finger movements to powerful jumps. Let's dive into the main categories of joints, starting with those that permit the least movement. First category is Synarthroses, which are immovable joints. These joints are primarily designed to absorb shock and permit very little movement. Their main function is to provide stability and protection to vital structures. For example, the sutures in the skull are classic Synarthroses. These irregularly grooved bone sheets are tightly connected by fibers, forming a rigid protective case for the brain. The lack of movement in these joints is essential for safeguarding delicate tissues and maintaining the integrity of the skeletal system. Sutures are a specific type of Synarthrosis found in the skull. These joints feature irregularly grooved articulating bone sheets that are connected by tough fibers. The interlocking nature of sutures provides exceptional strength and stability, ensuring the bones of the skull remain securely joined throughout life. This design is crucial for protecting the brain from external impacts and maintaining the shape of the head. While these joints allow almost no movement, their shock-absorbing properties are vital for overall cranial safety. Another form of synarthrosis is the syndesmosis. In these joints, dense fibrous tissue binds the bones together, allowing only limited movement. A good example is the midradial ulnar joint in the forearm. Here, the connective tissue provides enough flexibility for slight adjustments while maintaining overall stability. This balance between rigidity and slight movement is important for tasks that require both strength and a small degree of flexibility, such as rotating the forearm during daily activities. Moving on, we have Amphiarthroses, which are slightly movable joints. These joints are designed to attenuate applied forces, meaning they help absorb and distribute pressure throughout the body. Amphiarthroses strike a balance between stability and mobility, making them essential for areas that experience both movement and load-bearing. There are two main types of Amphiarthroses, synchondroses and symphyses. Let's explore each in more detail to see how they function in the human body. Synchondroses are a type of Amphiarthrosis where the articulating bones are joined by a thin layer of hyaline cartilage. This cartilage provides a slight degree of movement while maintaining stability. A prime example is the sternocostal joints, which connect the ribs to the sternum. The flexibility of the cartilage allows for the expansion and contraction of the rupcud during breathing, demonstrating how even small movements can have a big impact on bodily function. Symphyses are another type of Amphiarthrosis, characterized by a disc of fibrocartilage separating the bones. This structure allows for limited movement while providing excellent shock absorption. Notable examples include the vertebral joints in the spine and the pubic symphysis. The fibrocartilage discs help cushion the bones against impact and enable slight adjustments, which are crucial for activities like walking, bending, and supporting body weight. Third major category is Diarthroses, also known as synovial joints. These are the most mobile joints in the body, allowing for a wide range of movements. Diarthroses are characterized by several specialized structures that work together to provide both flexibility and protection. These joints are essential for activities that require significant motion, such as running, jumping, or throwing. Let's break down the key features that make synovial joints unique. One defining feature of Diarthroses is the articular cartilage. This dense white connective tissue covers the surfaces of the bones where they meet at the joint. Articular cartilage acts as a protective layer, reducing friction and absorbing shock during movement. Its smooth surface ensures that the bones can glide past each other effortlessly, which is vital for maintaining joint health and preventing wear and tear over time. Surrounding every synovial joint is the articular capsule, a double-layered membrane that encloses the joint space. This capsule provides an additional layer of protection and helps maintain the internal environment of the joint. The outer layer is tough and fibrous, offering structural support, while the inner layer produces synovial fluid. Together, these layers ensure the joint remains stable and well lubricated, ready for smooth movement. Inside the articular capsule, synovial fluid plays a crucial role. This clear, slightly yellow liquid lubricates the joint surfaces, reducing friction and allowing for smooth, pain-free movement. Synovial fluid also nourishes the cartilage and helps remove metabolic waste. Without this fluid, joint movement would be stiff and uncomfortable, highlighting its importance in maintaining joint health and function. Associated with many synovial joints are bursae, small, fluid-filled capsules that cushion the structures they separate. Bursae help reduce friction between bones, tendons, and muscles, especially in areas where movement is frequent and pressure is high. These tiny but mighty structures play a big role in preventing irritation and injury, ensuring that joints can move smoothly even under stress. Classic example of a synovial joint is the knee. The knee features a ligamentous capsule, an articular cavity, and articular cartilage, all working together to provide stability and mobility. This joint allows for complex movements like bending, straightening, and slight rotation, making it essential for walking, running, and jumping. The knee structure highlights the remarkable engineering of synovial joints and their importance in everyday activities. Synovial joints come in several varieties, each allowing different types of movement. The main types include gliding, hinge, pivot, condyloid, saddle, and ball and socket joints. Each type is specialized for certain motions, from simple sliding to full rotational movement. For example, the shoulder and hip are ball and socket joints, offering the greatest range of motion, while the elbow is a hinge joint, allowing bending and straightening. Understanding these types helps explain the incredible versatility of human movement.